Hello friends, today we are going to solve some examples from practice set 1.3. Let us see our first example. If set A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, set B is equal to C, D, E, F, set C is equal to B, D and set D is equal to A, E. Then which of the following statements are true and which are false? आपल्याला हे चार सेट्स दिलेले आहेत A, B, C, D आणि आपल्याला खाली काही स्टेटमेंट्स दिलेले आहेत. त्यापैकी कोणते स्टेटमेंट्स ट्रू आहेत आणि कोणते फॉल्स आहेत हे आपल्याला ओळखायचं. लेट अस सी फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट वन इज C is subset of B. Whether this statement is true or false. So what are the elements of set C? C is equal to in curly bracket B comma D and set B is equal to in curly bracket C, D, E and F. Now observe both the sets. Here the elements of set B and D, both the elements are not present in the set B and therefore C is not subset of B. Therefore the given statement is false. So how will you write answer of this? The given statement is false. The elements B and D both are not in the set B and therefore C is subset of B. This statement is false. Now second one, D is subset of A. Now we are going to find whether D is subset of A or not. Here the elements of set D are A, E. The elements of set A are A, B, C, D and E. Now observe carefully. Here the elements of set D, A and E, both the elements are present here in the set A. Here is A and here is E and therefore the given statement is true. How will you write answer of this one? All the elements of set D are in the set A. This is the reason why the statement is true. Let us see our second example. Take a set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as universal set and show sets X and Y using Venn diagram. Now see here, set X is set of all X such that X belongs to set of natural numbers and 7 is less than X is less than 15. या उदाहरणामध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचंय, युनिव्हर्सल सेट कन्सिडर करायचा. युनिव्हर्सल सेट जो आहे इट इज सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 20 आणि आपल्याला दुसरे दोन सेट्स दिलेत X आणि Y आणि आपल्याला हे व्हेन आकृतीच्या सहाय्याने दर्शवायचे आहे. तर सुरुवातीला आपण काय करू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शॅल राईट द सेट ऑफ युनिव्हर्सल सेट by our listing method. So universal set, what are the elements of universal set? U is set of natural numbers from 1 to 20. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to 20. So this is our universal set. Now second set is X. Now this set X is set of all X such that X belongs to set of natural numbers and 7 is less than X is less than 15. So what are the elements of set X? X is equal to, now 7 is less than X, so therefore 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the elements of this set X, because here X is less than 15. So therefore our elements are up to 14. Now see here we are going to represent this with the help of Venn diagram. We shall write the universal set here like this. We shall denote it in rectangle. This is our universal set. Now first of all we shall show this set X. Here is our set X. So what are the elements of set X? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is our set X. Now the remaining elements from universal set here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is here. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. In this way we shall denote the given sets using Venn diagrams. Second set is of set Y. Y is set of all Y such that Y belongs to set of natural numbers and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Again we shall write this set Y using our listing method. Y is equal to, which are prime numbers from 1 to 20? We shall write the list of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So this is our set Y. Again using universal set U we shall denote this with the help of Venn diagram. Draw universal set U. We shall represent this universal set again in rectangle and set Y. First of all we shall show here set Y. It is subset of universal set. So Y 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11, then 13, then 17 and 19. Now remaining elements we shall write. So here 1, 2, 3, 5 is there. 2, 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, then 15, 16, again 18 and 20. So in this way we shall denote this using or with the help of Venn diagram. Let us see our third example from practice set 1.3. Third example is universal set U is equal to, in curly bracket the elements are given, set P is equal to, again elements are given and we have to show the sets U, P and P dash using Venn diagram. So again as previous example we shall write the elements of the set. Now see here, given U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What are elements of P? P is 1, 3, 7 and 10. Now we shall write the elements of the complement of this set P, that is P dash. So what are the elements of complement of P? म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्या P च्या कॉम्प्लिमेंट मधले एलिमेंट्स लिहायचे आहेत. तर P मधले एलिमेंट्स सोडून उरलेले युनिव्हर्सल सेट मधले एलिमेंट्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी घ्यावे लागतील. सो हियर द एलिमेंट्स इन P dash will be 2, then 8, then 9, then 11 and 12. Now here this P dash is equal to, these are the elements of complement of P. Now we shall show this with the help of Venn diagram. First of all we shall show universal set with the help of rectangle. This is our universal set U. In this first of all we shall show the set P. Set P is, the elements of set P are 1, 3, then 7 and 10. Remaining elements will be in the complement of P. means this set is nothing but our P dash. So elements of P dash 2, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So in this way we shall show the sets U, P and P dash using Venn diagram. Our fourth example is set A is equal to in curly bracket 1, 3, 2, 7 curly bracket close. Write 3 subsets of A. आपल्याला A चे subsets लिहायचे आहेत. So the subsets of set A are as follows. We know that empty set is subset of every set. Therefore first subset is empty set. पुन्हा आपण काय केलं, प्रत्येक एलिमेंट एकदा घेतला. These are also subsets of given set A 1, 2, 3, 7. पुन्हा आपण दोन एलिमेंट्स एकदा घेतले 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 7, 3, 2, 3, 7, 2, 7. These are also subsets of given set. पुन्हा आपण तीन एलिमेंट्स घेतले 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 7, 1, 2, 7 and 3, 2, 7. And finally, we know that each set is subset of itself. Therefore, 1, 3, 2, 7. This set is also subset of given set A. Means in all there are 16 subsets of given set A. आपल्याला याच्यापैकी कोणतेही 3 सबसेट्स लिहायचे आहेत. तर याच्यापैकी कोणतेही 3 सबसेट्स तुम्ही लिहू शकता. Example from practice set is write the subset relation between the following sets. Now here are some sets. P is the set of residents in Pune. M is the set of residents in Madhya Pradesh. I is the set of residents in Indore. B is the set of residents in India. And H is the set of residents in Maharashtra. Now see here, the residents in Pune are also residents of Maharashtra. So therefore, set P is the subset of set H. Also, the residents in Pune are also residents of India. Therefore, P is also subset of B. So P is subset of B. Again see here, M is the set of residents in Madhya Pradesh. Now Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. So set I is the subset of set M because the residents in Indore are also residents of Madhya Pradesh, and therefore here I is subset of M. Again, the residents of Madhya Pradesh are also residents of India. Therefore, M is the subset of B. Again, the residents in Maharashtra are also residents of India. Therefore, H is subset of B. So this is subset relation between the sets. Sixth example from practice set is which set of numbers could be the universal set for the sets given below. The given sets are A is equal to the set of multiples of 5, B is equal to the set of multiples of 7 and C is equal to the set of multiples of 12. Now we know that set of natural numbers n is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on curly bracket close. Set of whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Again set of integers you know, set of integers is equal to here -3, -2, -1, 0. Then all positive integers 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the elements of set of natural numbers, whole number and integers. Now see our given sets. A is the set of multiples of 5. Then what are the elements of set A? Set A is equal to, in curly bracket, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Then set B. Set B is the set of multiples of 7. So what are the elements of set B? B is equal to, in curly bracket, 7, 14, 21 and so on. What are the elements of set C? C is the set of multiples of 12. So C is equal to, in curly bracket, 12, 24, 36 and so on. Now if we observe the elements of these three sets, you will easily understand that these are the subsets of sets of natural number, whole numbers and integers. म्हणजे आपण A, B आणि C ह्या तिन्ही सेट्सचे एलिमेंट्स जर ऑब्झर्व केले तर आपल्या असं लक्षात येतं की हे जे सेट्स आहेत A, B आणि C हे सेट ऑफ नॅचरल नंबर्स, होल नंबर आणि इंटिजर्स यांचे सबसेट्स आहेत. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की these are nothing but the universal sets for sets A, B and C. So any of the set of natural number, set of whole numbers or set of integers is the universal set for the sets given here. Again, second example is P is equal to the set of integers which are multiples of 4 and T is the set of all even square numbers. Now what are the elements of set P? P is equal to set of integers which are multiples of 4, that is 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. What are the elements of set T now? T is equal to, it is the set of even square numbers, that is 2 square, 4 square, 6 square and so on. Again, if we observe the elements of the sets, we will find that these are also subsets of set of natural number, whole number and integers. So in this example also, we can take any one of the sets of natural numbers, set of whole numbers or integers. It can be considered as a universal set for the given sets. Now our seventh example from practice set is, let all the students of class is an universal set. Let set A be the students who secure 50% or more marks in maths. Then write the complement of set A. Now what will be the complement of set A? The complement of set A will be the set of students who will secure less than 50% marks. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला युनिव्हर्सल सेट जो दिलेला आहे तो युनिव्हर्सल सेट सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचा दिलेला आहे आणि त्यापैकी ए असा सेट आहे की ज्या सेट मध्ये 50% किंवा 50% पेक्षा जास्त मार्क्स सिक्युअर केलेले विद्यार्थी आहेत. म्हणजे त्याच्या कॉम्प्लिमेंट मध्ये असणार, कॉम्प्लिमेंटच्या सेट मध्ये असणारे जे एलिमेंट्स आहेत, those are the students who secure less than 50% marks. So how will you write answer of this? The complement of set A, the complement of set A will be the set of students, will be the set of students who secure less than 50% marks. Who secure less than 50% marks.